Hi everyone, this is Mary. Today I want to talk with you about the United States stock market. The stock market has undergone market tests in the past week and has risen sharply after experiencing a sharp drop. Financial markets have been up and down following the US election. Recently, the market trend has been basically dominated by shocks. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones 5-minute chart. Today, the stock market opened up all the way up, mostly regaining the ground lost yesterday with a slight increase. The market bulls are still quite strong. Let's take a look at our POWINvest.com webpage. It records the transaction records of our team in the past few years. In the past few years, we have made a lot of money in the US stock market. Here, our option trading allows us to get the most profit. By the end of September, our options have accumulated more than 100,000 US dollars in profit, and the stocks have even higher profits. The two congratulatory profits have excelled 1,500%. Our stock earnings increased by 300% in the last quarter alone. So in the past few years, many of our VIP members have also earned a lot of money under our leadership. It is very easy to follow us to make money in the market because our team will send everyone the lowest risk buying and selling information at the first time according to market changes. So, everyone can easily make a lot of money without seeing the market 24 hours. And our weekly membership class will also explain everyone's thoughts about the market and our manipulation method, so that everyone can become a winner in the stock market in a short time. Today, I want to share with everyone a very important information through YouTube. Global funds are now undergoing a major transfer from the global market to the US stock market. These funds are mainly in US dollars and are being transferred from Europe, Asia, and the Middle East to the United States now. In particular, Europe has recently had a large amount of funds transferred to the United States. These funds will certainly not be deposited in the banks only. There are mainly two options for them. First, low-risk U.S. Treasury bonds. Second, U.S. stock with certain risks. So why did these funds begin to enter the United States market from the global market? There's a very big mystery behind this. Everyone knows that Sino-US relations have dropped to a freezing point, and a nuclear war maybe is likely to occur. If a war breaks out, countries with weak missile defense systems will be severely hit. Therefore, market forecasts are very low in the area with weak defense system, and a lot of funds are quietly fleeing. So the US stock will have a very good room for growth in the next 2 to 3 years. The stocks rose because there is money waiting to buy them, right? So the return of a large amount of US dollars to the United States market will inevitably push up US stock prices. In addition, the global market's uncertainty and the increase in the future world political and economic situation are likely to continue to sell or underestimate the assets of countries outside the Five Eyes Alliance. Money is the smartest on the world. So today, I would like to suggest that if you have assets outside the United States, please transfer your assets to the United States or the Five Eyes Union countries as soon as possible to save your assets from loss and to continue to grow your wealth steadily. I hope that the information above can help everyone, especially those who have investment around the world, to judge how to reduce the investment risks, and increase the return in the future. Okay, let me introduce you 3 stocks that will have good performance in the near future. The first is BGNE. This is a Chinese concept stock, and it has been growing very well recently. This is a 1-hour chart. This company is registered in the Cayman Island. It produces a targeted drug that can eliminate a virus. It does not kill good cells, but cells that contain viruses only. So it's really smart. This technology has a very great effect on new coronavirus pneumonia. Therefore, this company is sought after by the Wall Street and being continued to be injected capital. Today, the stock has reached more than $300. The next stock we want to introduce JKS. This stock is also a Chinese concept stock. This company is in the business of solar panels. Recently, solar stocks have been secretly sought after by Wall Street. So why are solar stocks being sought after recently? It is because the development of solar business is related to the development of Tesla. In the future, cars are developing in the direction of electric power, and charging is a problem. So electric car manufacturers around the world have come up with a good way to use solar charging. Install solar panels on the roof and the front panel of the car so that the car can be charged automatically, especially in sunny places like Texas, Florida, some hot areas, to increase battery life. Therefore, solar panels are a good direction for the development of electric vehicles in the future. So Wall Street is making secret layouts in these sectors. It is very likely that this stock will continue to rise in the future. You can see it. The third stock we want to introduce today is HIBB. Okay, so the HIBB is an American retail store that specializes in sporting goods, such as Nike shoes. This is a small and medium-sized enterprise, but the stock has risen secretly from $16 in April and May to almost $50 now. This is a very promising US stock with small and medium market value. We all know that the United States has just gone through the lockdown of the pandemic, and many people are depressed with isolation. So it's very likely that retaliatory consumption will occur in the next few months. This stock is growing like a rainbow and is being secretly sought after by Wall Street. Okay, let's stop here today. Thank you very much for listening and watching. Please check our website www.powinvest.com for more information about our investment. See you next time. Bye.